Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall glam lighted crystal apothecary. So what you're going to need some of these icy gems, and they are from Efavormart. You'll also need some arrowheads pendants, and they're also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now with this arrowhead pendant here, I just used a hot knife to cut the bottom off of it because I'll be using this as the finial for my apothecary. And what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need one of these little lidded bowls. You'll need a pack of these glass Tealight holders. So you'll need one of these. And you're going to need one of these tall bud vases from Dollar Tree. From Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. Now I have a fairy light pack here. I did not purchase this at Efavormart, but I will have some information regarding fairy lights that can be purchased from Efavormart. I can't remember if I purchased these from TJ Maxx or Ross or where I purchased them, but yeah, I don't remember where I purchased these, so I'll leave some information in the description box about where you can get these at Efavormart. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on the project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam lighted crystal apothecary turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make and super versatile to use. You can use it as an apothecary in your bathroom, on the vanity. You could use it on a coffee table. You could put candy in it. Just any number of things you could do with this piece. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.